Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another try on haul of course. So, for today's video guys, ayan, of course, I have a new Alice, ayan. I have here brown skin tone and the mint green. Blue? Okay, blue. So, unahin muna natin tong brown. Actually, maganda rin tong blue, okay? But unahin natin yung brown, okay? The brown one is, ayan, ganyan siya yung kanyang. Ayan guys, meron siyang, yung dito niya. Ayan, maganda yung kanyang, detail. Sa gilid, like this. Very, very nice. Very comfy. This is large pala siya guys. Ayan ha. Maganda siya guys. Okay, ganyan sa likod. And then, may pa-curve yung dito niya. I really like it also, of course. Sa loob, ganyan siya guys. It's like this. Maganda siya guys. Very soft yung kanyang tela. And then very very nice of course. So ito siya guys. Brown. So maganda talaga siya. Skin tone siya and bagay siya sa skin ko pag ganyan. Okay? If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and share. Ayan, I really appreciate it. Thank you. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, yung pangalawa naman, guys, is a blue. A baby blue. Sky blue ba niya siya? Sky blue na siya. Okay. Ganyan siya, guys. Seamless to siya, guys. And then, ganyan siya sa loob. This is very cute also. Parang bagay na bagay sa akin. I really like that pack. O, diba? Ayan. Large din siya, and then ganyan siya sa loob, guys. Ganyan siya sa loob. Double siya sa loob. So, no worries. Ayan. Ganyan siya. Okay? Let me know which one is better, this one or the first one. So, ganyan siya sa likod, guys. Very, very nice color also. So, yeah. Let's go. Suotin natin sila. Let's go. So guys, hindi ko siya mahaharap kasi super sexy niya talaga as in. Ganyan siya guys. Ayan. Maganda naman siya. Very comfy suot. Pero hindi ko siya talaga harap talaga na pag ganyan. Ganyan lang siya guys. Okay? Ayan. Maganda yung kanyang quality. And then ganyan siya sa likod guys. Ayan. Ayan. May kinagatan pa ng lamok. Ganyan siya guys. Very sexy ang kanyang datingan dito guys. Man. I really like it. The quality is good. Maganda siya. High cut siya. Ganyan. Yung detail niya dito is talagang pack. Maganda talaga siya. I really like it. Sulit yung pera dito. As in really, really good. Ganyan siya. Ito siya sa likod guys. It's very cute. Also, ganyan. Very nice siya guys. Ayan. Maganda siya dito. Ito yung bat ko. Maganda talaga siya, guys. Maganda talaga siya, guys. Ayan, oh. Suot natin yung isa kasi maganda din yan. Guys, maliit siya. As in, very maliit. Maliit siya, guys. Very small. Maliit siya, guys. As in, very, very fit to me. Really small to me. So, ganyan lang talaga siya guys. Ayan. So, ganyan siya sa likod. Ayan. Tanawa guys. As in, makita mo talaga na super liit niya. Kasi very fit siya dito. Hindi ko siya pwedeng isuot guys. Masisira na siya. Very small and then very fit. No, hindi siya talaga, it's not like, na isusuot ko talaga, no. I just wear this because for flex, pero hindi ko siya pwedeng suot for everyday use kasi super liit. Ayan. Ito siya guys sa likod. Super fit ang dito niya. Very very tight. Ayan, tanawa oh. Very tight siya guys. So but anyway, yes, yan, ganyan lang siya. For flex lang niya siya. Hindi siya pwede to wear, but yes, I'm glad I did it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Comment heart below if you like my video. Thank you. Sending kisses to everyone.